Well, hi, this is Lynn with MI Tinker, and I am getting ready for winter by stacking up on firewood right next to my back door. And the only thing that I needed for this was a cover, and there was no cover that I could buy commercially because it is a custom size rack that I build. So I decided I was going to build a custom cover. I hope you'll join me today in discovering how I put this together in ways that you might be able to incorporate that for covering different patio furniture or covering your own firewood. So I want to show you the first thing I did is I took some measurements and I made a template or a pattern for what I'm going to be doing. And we'll lay that out and mark it and start to cut our pieces for making the cover. Okay, well, I've got this all laid out. We're ready to do the first cutout in a trial fit. Let's get the scissors. Now you can see the actual template cut out. And we'll do a trial fit now. So today I brought in the custom cover pattern that I've already cut out, and I'm getting ready to put on a protective strip on all the edges that I've cut. Now the reason why I want to do this is because this is a stranded material, and the stranded material over time will start to pull threads off, and pretty soon you're going to have ribbons rather than having a solid piece of protective plastic. This is a 1/2-inch waterproof tape that is specifically made for tarps, and I'm going to tape all of the edges, and we'll only need about 1/4 inch on each side. So let's go ahead and get that started and get all of our edges protected so that this custom cover will last for a long time. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is just get a quick measure, and then I've got a little cutting mat over here that I can just use a razor knife and trim to the edge. Now the next thing I'm going to do is actually just lay this flat sticky side up and run it halfway underneath, so just 1/4 inch underneath, end to end. Depending on your cut, you may have to work it just a little bit. So I'm putting a little pressure as I go, and I want to keep 1/4 inch reveal so I can take that and fold it over. So I'm just gently pushing that down as I go. I want to avoid any wrinkles or bumps. You notice I cut it just a wee bit longer because you can always trim it later. And then I'm pressing down. Now comes the time when you fold it over, and I'm working from the middle out, and just do a single press and then move down and do another little press, and then just use your finger to finish that section that you started. And then the same thing here. I'm just going to go in the middle of this section, press it down, and then continue going and pressing as I go. And again, trying to avoid wrinkles and creases. So that's what the finished edge looks like. And I can use this mat for trimming off any extra, just like that. Now, I'm going to keep doing this all the way around. Same method, lay the tape out first and then fold it over as I go. Reinforce the corner. So I've taken a piece and put it on the corner, and then I'm going to just slice down to the center point of the corner and then fold that down. And if you want to be extra secure, you can do it going the other way as well. This tape here that I've got is the 3M VHB tape, which is a very heavy-duty mounting tape. It's good inside and out. and we're going to use that in conjunction with my Velcro because I'm putting it on an end grain, and the end grain doesn't have as much to hold on to, so I want an extra super heavy duty adhesive to get this to stick. There we go. Nice and clear. Now, I've already peeled off. I've got both the male and female Velcro, so the loop side and the soft side, and they're together right now. I've got this lined up, and the reason why that's together is to have a perfect fit. Now I'll take the backing off like that, and then we pull this tight and press it on. We're good to go. Tape that corner so it stays secure. Holds down, it looks like that. We'll do the same to this corner. Okay, and as you can see, I've got Velcros at 3 additional spots so I can wrap the right side. We're on the final stretch of getting this custom cover finished for our Firewood, and last stretch is to put Velcro here, here, and down below so that it will close and keep closed during wind and rain. So I've already got both layers of the Velcro attached, and then stretch this to fit, press it down. And because we've got a 3-inch strip of Velcro, I can adjust this at any point in time. If I want to lift this up just a little bit, I can readjust it like that. And then we've got one more at the bottom. We're good to go.